In today's video, we're going to look at how to solve algebraic equations with one variable in them. For example, there's only one unknown. So let's start with the easy question first. Let's say x plus 3 equals 9. How will you find x? You can think of many different ways here, but as long as your answer is right, you get the marks. So for example, here x will be 6. You can work it backward. You can say 9 take away 3 is 6. Or some people might think 6 add 3 is 9. If you leave the answer like this, you get no marks, because your answer is embedded in the question. You didn't make your decision yet. So you have to write in the exam like this clearly. Because we want to develop our method, I will follow two different methods. You can also do this question this way. For example, you can draw a function machine. You can start with x plus 3 is 9. So this is my question. Then you start with 9. You go backward, minus 3, answer is 6. That means x is 6. And there's a other perfect method is this. You can say x plus 3 is 9. Now, because we have to find x, so we have to remove or eliminate 3. How can you eliminate plus 3? If you do the opposite of this. If you take away 3 from this. So what we do? We minus 3, so my answer will be x equals 6, because 9 take away 3 is 6, and 3 take away 3 will be 0. We don't have to write anything down. Let's move to the next step. Let's say now, if the question is 4n plus 8 equals 40. So what we can do? Method 1, we can start with our n, which is a variable, which is unknown. And then 4n means time by n. Let's circle it. Then plus 8 next comes. Then equals 40. Let's circle them a little bit. Now let's go backward. We start with 40. Arrow direction is opposite. Symbol is opposite. Plus 8 become minus 8. Now let's work it out. 40 minus 8 will be how much? 32. Let's write 32 here. Yeah, it's 4 here, guys. This is a 4. Because n times 4. Yeah. So now we done 40. Take away 8, which is 32. Now divide by 4. Because it times 4 becomes divided by 4. So my answer will be 8. So n will be 8. Let's try the example. Next question we can try. Let's say 3x plus 9 equals 27. Doesn't matter which number you pick. 27. First step, you expand the brackets. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 9 is 27. Equals 27. Now, because how much will be my x? Let's try it. Let's try method 1 first. We start with x times by 3. Add 27 is 27. We start with 27. Take away 27, which will be 0. 0 divided by 3 is 0. So x will be 0 here. Other method. Method number 2. It will be like this. Our question was 3x plus 27 is 27. So what do we do first? We get rid of this 27. How can we remove it? How can we eliminate it? If we take away 27 from both sides. Both sides means both sides of the equal sign. This is the left hand side. That's the right hand side. So keep the balance, keep the equal in the middle here. So what we do to the one side, we do the same to the other side. So what do we give me this here? 27, take away 27 is 0, equal sign here. This 27 is 0. We don't have to write 3x. What does 3x means? 3x means 3 times x. Plus the opposite of 3, to remove 3, divide by 3. So time 3 means divide by 3. 0 divided by anything is 0. 3 divided by 3 will be 1x. X will be 0. So but again, you need to develop this method. Now, sorry, we're playing up a little bit. Next question is, let's do 5n plus 10 equals 60. Again, method number 1, start with n, time by 5 plus 10 is 60. Go backward, start with 60, take away 10, which makes 50, divide by 5, answer is 10. But this method is easy, but only will work with one variable. When we go to next grade, when we solve the equation with 2 variables, then you have to use method number 2, which is that's why I'm showing you here, method number 2. Same question for this is method number 1. That's the method number 2. So you need to develop this method as well. So 5n plus 10 is 60. Now to remove 10, you take away 10 from both sides, draw the line underneath. 60, take away 50, 10 is 50. Equal sign here. This 10 cancel out. 10 minus 10 is 0. Then 5n here. And remember, what is the meaning of 5n? 5n means 5 times n. Opposite of 5 time by 5 is divide by 5. So divide by 5 is 10 here. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, n will be 10. So same answer comes, but this method is more better than this one. Nothing wrong with this one. Next question here, guys. One more question. So what we can do here, let's make slightly different format. 30 equals 20n minus, say 5. Let's say 50. Again, it looks different than the last question because the last time we always see the equations normally written other way around. So this thing is here and this thing is here. That doesn't make a difference at all. Same question. If you still don't want to do this way, you can rewrite it. You can rewrite this question as 20n minus 50 equals 3. Now most people will be familiar with this one than this one. Now to work out n, 30, my fault, here. So what do we do first? We start with n. n times 20, take away 50 is 30. Go to 30, backward, plus 50, 30 plus 50 makes 80, divide by 20 will be 4. But remember, my emphasis is to help you to develop the proper method as well. That's method number 1. Method number 2, let's write 20n minus 50 is 30. Opposite of minus 50 is plus 50. The inverse of negative is positive, so plus 50 here, plus 50 here. That makes 80. This cancel out, leaving 0, 20n. 20n means 20 times n. So what we do, opposite of times 20, divide by 20. So my n will be 4, because 20 divided by 20 will be 1, 80 divided by 20 will be 4. Hopefully you learn how to solve equations with one variable. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and would like to watch more such videos, please subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscribe button below and press the bell icon.